Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Google Pay password. For that you need to go and open the app, and this app is not available in my region, so I'll just show you how to do that in website. And when you open the app, you will see your profile picture on the top right corner. Just tap on that, just like this. Just tap on your profile picture and then go to settings and then head straight to privacy and security, and there you need to tap on manage your app lock, and then you have to select your 4-digit Google PIN and tap forgot PIN and follow the instruction to reset it using your main Google password. If you forget your UPI PIN, you need to go to your Google Pay and then tap again to your profile picture like this in your Google Pay account, and then select your bank account, then select the specific bank and tap on more button, and after that select on forgot and then select forgot UPI PIN and enter the last 6 digits of expiry date of your debit card, and then enter your OTP sent to your phone and set your new PIN. And that is how you can reset your Google Pay password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.